Integrating frequency wave technology into the concept of using nano-robots to remove plastic fragments from water could involve several innovative applications. Here are a few ways how frequency wave technology could enhance this process. Targeting and activation. Frequency wave technology could be used to target specific types of plastics based on their resonance frequencies. Each type of plastic could hypothetically absorb or resonate at different frequencies. Nanorobots could emit specific frequencies to bind or attract these particles more effectively, making separation easier. Aggregation and collection. The nanorobots could use ultrasonic or other frequency waves to cause plastic particles to aggregate, making them easier to collect. These sound waves could create pressure differences in the water, pushing plastic particles towards the nanorobots. Enhance mobility and navigation. Frequency waves could also be employed to control and navigate the swarm of nanorobots through complex water systems. Using controlled frequency waves to create flow patterns, the robots could be guided to areas with higher concentrations of microplastics. Communication and coordination. Frequency waves could facilitate communication between individual nanorobots, coordinating their actions for efficient cleaning. This swarm intelligence would allow the robots to adapt to varying concentrations of plastics and dynamically adjust their cleaning patterns. Energy transfer. Wireless energy transfer. Using electromagnetic waves could keep the nanorobots powered, enabling them to operate over extended periods without the need for physical recharging stations. These enhancements would leverage the properties of frequency waves to improve the efficiency, coverage, and effectiveness of nanorobots in cleaning up microplastics from aquatic environments, potentially revolutionizing environmental cleanup technology.